Good morning, day 4. Not a very nice day, but I just want to quickly read you something regarding the poppies. Have you ever thought who makes them? Well, the factory is in Richmond in London, where remembrance poppies are made, and it was founded in 1922 to offer employment opportunities to wounded soldiers returning from the First World War, creating remembrance products for the royal family and the Royal British Legion's annual poppy appeal. It is operated by a company that is a registered charity which provides employment support to disabled veterans across England and Wales. The factory makes approximately 36 million poppies each year. So 36 million poppies, they're all in little boxes ready to go out each year with the collection, with the money dispenser things. So the veterans have made all those 36 million for this Remembrance Sunday, which, as you know, was on the 11th, but they haven't been sold. So they're sitting there, but they've also had to be paid for the materials. So, but they haven't had the money in to pay for those materials this year. And then there's admin costs. So please, 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 please support the Royal British Legion for the money that they desperately need to support our veterans, and this factory that helps them makes the poppies that they sell every year in Remembrance Sunday. Please. Okay, enough of that. Day 4. Let's see how we get on. Okay. Oh, 72. I think it was 72. I was thinking in my head of other things about the poppies. I'm sorry. That's 100. Just going over. Okay. Oof. Please find me on my Just Giving page and contribute. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye.